In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header color on Jotform. Enhancing the look of your forms is essential for branding and making your forms more engaging for your audience. Jotform provides an incredibly versatile platform for creating online forms, but sometimes the default options just don't fit with your brand's color scheme. Don't worry, customizing the header color is straightforward once you know where to look. First things first, let's head over to Jotform's website. If you're not already on the homepage, you can easily find it by searching for free online form builder and form creator vertical bar Jotform in your favorite search engine. Once you're there, you should see a button for logging in. Click on Login to proceed. If your account is already connected to Google or any other platform, select the appropriate option to log in seamlessly. This feature is a great time saver for those who manage multiple online tools and prefer a streamlined way to access them. Now that we're logged into Jotform, let's navigate to My Forms. This section hosts all the forms you've created or have been shared with you. It's like your control panel for managing your online forms. Here's where the fun part begins. Hover over any of your forms that you'd like to customize and click on Edit Form. This action will take you to the Form Builder interface where all the magic happens. Look for the paint roller icon on the Form Builder toolbar. This is the Form Designer. The Form Designer is a powerful tool that allows you to customize nearly every aspect of your form's appearance. Upon entering the Form Designer, click on the Styles tab. This tab includes various options to modify your form's fonts, colors, and more. However, our goal today is to change the header color, so we'll need to take a slightly more advanced route. Scroll down until you see the Inject Custom CSS section. This area allows you to enter CSS code that can alter elements of your form beyond the standard options available within the Form Designer. If you're unfamiliar with CSS, it stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it's used to describe how HTML elements should be displayed. For our purposes, CSS will help us change the header color precisely to our liking. Now, you might be wondering where to find the CSS code that changes the header color. An easy way is to perform a quick Google search with the terms "change the background color of the header of Jotform." Among the search results, you should find a Jotform forum thread or guide that includes the exact code snippet you need. Once you've found the code, simply copy it, then go back to the Inject Custom CSS section on the Jotform Designer and paste the code there. This step might seem a bit technical, but it gives you the freedom to customize your form exactly how you want it. The right CSS code can completely transform how your form looks, lending it a professional and cohesive appearance that aligns with your brand. I recommend experimenting with different color codes to find the perfect shade that matches your brand identity or website design. Remember, the goal here is not just to change the color, but to enhance the form's visual appeal and make it more engaging for your users. And there you have it, a complete guide to changing the header color on your Jotform. With just a few clicks and some basic CS, you can significantly improve the look and feel of your forms. This customization not only enriches the user experience, but also helps in maintaining a consistent brand image across all your digital assets. Remember, the appearance of your form can greatly influence the completion rates and overall success. So, take the time to make your forms look their best. Keep exploring the Form Designer for even more customization options, and don't hesitate to experiment with different styles to see what works best for your needs. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy customizing.